Welcome to WhatsApp Antiban marketing software, powered by OneSoft. In this step-by-step guide, we'll walk you through how to use the WhatsApp sender marketing tool efficiently and safely. The first step is to register on the WhatsApp sender marketing tool. Enjoy a free trial for the first 3 months. To register, simply create a new account by entering basic details such as your name, email address, and password. Once registered, log into the portal to access all features. Once logged in, you'll find the WhatsApp tab on the top menu bar. This tab includes multiple sections: queue, sent, received, campaign, scheduled, groups, and accounts. Before sending messages, link your WhatsApp account by scanning the QR code. Once connected, click the Edit button on the linked account to configure some essential settings. Enable or disable chat reception. If enabled, received messages will appear in the Received tab. Enable or disable random interval. This Antiban feature prevents spamming and helps avoid getting blocked by WhatsApp. Set a random time interval between messages. Another anti-ban measure that keeps your WhatsApp account safe. Now let's test sending a message through the portal. Go to the Queue tab and click on the Quick Send button. A pop-up window will appear where you need to enter recipient's phone number, your linked WhatsApp account, your message content. Priority leveled. If set to yes, it sends immediately, ignoring interval settings. If set to no, it follows your interval configuration. Message type: choose from text only, text with media, or text with document. For bulk messaging, navigate to the Campaigns tab. Here, you'll find options for bulk or Excel uploads. Let's select bulk messaging. First, set a campaign name. Then, enter phone numbers in the correct country code format as shown in the tutorial. You can also select multiple WhatsApp accounts to distribute messages, an additional anti-ban feature to protect your accounts. Next, choose a template. We'll cover template creation in a separate tutorial. Then, select the message type: text, media, image or video, or document, PDF, Excel, Word, Notepad, etc. Finally, enter your message and hit send. In our next video, we'll cover what are templates, how to create and use them effectively, managing contact groups, learn how to organize and segment your contacts, Spintax rules, a powerful technique to protect your WhatsApp account from bans, short codes, what they are and how to use them for automation. Thank you for watching this tutorial on WhatsApp Antiban marketing software powered by OneSoft. Start using the tool today and enhance your WhatsApp marketing safely and efficiently.